Stop throwing away unused groceries. Locale allows you to efficiently shop for groceries and minimize food waste. So how does it work? First, choose a recipe. All the groceries needed for the ingredients are then added to your cart. Next, our proprietary algorithms recognize all remaining ingredients. For example, you may have half a tomato or half a cucumber remaining from your first recipe. Then, our algorithms recommend recipes to use as many of those remaining ingredients as possible. For example, you may be able to use your remaining tomato, cucumber, onion, and olives in a Greek salad, saving you $7.12 in grocery cost. These will change with different recipes. Keep shopping. You'll start to realize savings as soon as your second recipe. The more you shop, the more leftover ingredients you can utilize, and the more money you'll save. When you're done shopping, just check out. Your groceries will be ready to pick up at your local grocery store, or you can have them delivered. After you check out, any remaining ingredients go into your virtual pantry and will be used to recommend recipes next time you order, reducing potential food waste and saving you money. Locale. Shop efficiently, save money, reduce waste.